Hey guys, Satyajit Patnaik here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope my audio is properly audible and my video is also visible to you guys. So, welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we have Ruparanjan Mahapatra, who is a very close friend of mine, and he has grown his LinkedIn uh, profile from 0 to 75,000 followers in just under 2 years. So let's have a short introduction from the man himself and get started with the session. Just one disclaimer that we will also be discussing some of the abroad job tips at the end of the session. So stay connected till the end so that we can also discuss about abroad job opportunities and some of the tips on how you can apply. I'll try to share my side of the story, how I applied for abroad jobs and how many of my friends also have applied abroad jobs. So, in short, before getting into the session, before talking to Ruparanjan Mahapatra, just to let you know that today's agenda is I initially planned for 5 to 6 different points, but later on, when we discussed with Ruparanjan, we got to know that the pointers that are available in the agenda in the description below, it's going to take a lot of time. So probably we'll try to divide the video into two separate videos. So today, probably in 1 hour or 90 minutes, we'll try to cover as much as possible for the LinkedIn profile building part, and we'll try to give you some of the tips for abroad jobs. And in the next session, I will try to do a session on GitHub profile, on how to prepare your GitHub, how to design your README files, and all those things. So that's it. We'll quickly invite Ruparanjan to the call. Before that, we'll watch the channel intro. Yeah, Ruparanjan, you are already live, and please talk about yourself and let's get started.
Hi everyone, good evening. So I am Ruparanjan Mahapatra. You can see in the screen that my LinkedIn profile is already open. So I am currently working in Eaton Technologies as a associate analyst. Before this one, I was working in Amazon. That is when that lockdown happened and so many people lost their job. Even if I am saying about myself, I am using LinkedIn from 2015. That is from my first job. But at that time, I was using it only for like uh, leads. So that is what I was using. But into 2020, then so many people lost their job, and Amazon was hiring so many people at that time. But so many people are not getting into Amazon. So I started sharing some tips and tricks for Amazon, how to crack them. And at that time, I was having around some 1,000 or 2,000 followers and some 400, 500 connections. But in these 2 years, my follower count increased from 1,000 or 2,000 up to 75,000, and my content views went from somewhere 100 views or 200 views to up to a million views in one post also, and collectively it went to around 20 to 25 million views. So in this video, in this live class, we'll see how we'll optimize our LinkedIn profile. Then we'll discuss about how to get job. And LinkedIn is a best platform to get a job, but most of the people do it wrongly. So we'll discuss that one. Then there are so many topics about how you can create content and all the thing. But if time permits, then we'll continue that one also. And so I think we are good to start. Let's
Yeah,
say so.
we are good to start.
Okay, so I hope everyone is opening this one in your computer, so it will be easy for you to follow. Otherwise, in mobile also you will have the similar background, so you can do that one also. Check that one. And some of the LinkedIn features are only available in mobile, so you can't do that one from your desktop or computer. So you have to do those like update from your mobile. So I'll tell you what those profiles are. But at the beginning, I'll start you with what is the UI of LinkedIn. So let's go ahead. So if you'll see this one, here is our search bar. Here we can search all the thing. Here home, here my network. So in my network, whoever will send you connection request, it will show here. Then job section, that is our main priority for this session. and messaging, notification, whatever notification will come, it will come here. In home section, if you'll see that this is a mini tool for your thing, your name, your profile photo, your designations. So how many people viewed your profile, how many impression your post got. So that is what, and if you're saving some items, it will show it here. So I run a page named higher ends. So this will only show it to me. So it will not show you to you. And like if you are not having any pages, then here it will show you how many groups you have joined or event you have joined. This one it will show. So this is the homepage things. So next we'll go to our profile section. If I'll click here, in there is a photo of me, and below that one is written me. So if I'll click here, I then click on view profile. It will take me to my profile. Okay. So first thing that we should take care of is our name, because we know that our name is very uh, we are very fond of our name. So I don't know why my profile photo is not uploading. Okay, now it came. So my name is Ruparanjan Mahapatra. I have written it like that one. So whatever your name, write it clearly. Some people write their like pet name also. I have seen people writing it here like Ruparanjan in the bracket something they will write, and then their surname. So whatever you want yourself to be called, write those names. So this is not something very difficult thing that you can make a mistake. So that is the thing. And here then there is coming your designation thing. So in this one, if you'll go here, this if you'll go this pen icon, so you can edit this thing. So what you want to write here, let's say you are looking for data analyst job, or you are a data analyst, right here data analyst. Okay. So, and your skills, data analyst, then give the piping option, then write the skills you are having. Let's say you are having the skills of Python, then you are having Power BI, then you are having the skills of SQL, then you are having the skills of Excel. Okay, so I can save this one here, then it will show me this thing. So what will happen if someone is looking at me, if I will open LinkedIn profile. Okay, see Subham Chopra, I am seeing Subham Chopra, the name is showing, his photo is showing, and his designation is showing. Digital marketing open to opportunities, creating marketing savior. Okay, I saw these things. Kushal Vijay, software engineer at Microsoft. You can, so that is why it is important. I can write that, okay, data analyst at, maybe I can write data analyst at Eton. I am currently working in Eton. So I can write that one. Okay. So write like that one. Or if you are looking for job, write that, okay, I am looking for data analyst job, looking for a data analyst job, or aspiring data analyst, or like that one. You can write similar lines. So don't write something which is like absurd things, because this is the thing people will mark you everywhere, whichever post you will show. Justin Wells building a portfolio for one person business to 5 million revenue. So this is showing that what this person is doing. Okay, if I am writing here aspiring data analyst, that means I am looking for a job in data analyst position. And if I'll say here Python, Power BI, SQL, and Excel, okay, these are my skills that I want. For these skills, I will be getting hired. Okay, so these two things are there. Then there is a profile photo. If you'll click here, then you can see that add photo edit option is there. Give a professional photo. Don't I even I have seen that people have given their honeymoon pictures at this place. So so I am not sure how funny it is, but this is funny. I have literally seen people given their honeymoon photo in, I think, somewhere Simla or Switzerland, that is. But don't do that one, that mistake. Give a professional photo. How, what is a professional photo? You can see that background is a solid background, black. You can keep it black, white, gray, whatever is your preference. And one front looking face or a side looking face. And this one I have taken this photo for passport and all the things, so I have given this one. But you can give a smiling photo, so I didn't have that time, so I have kept it here like that one. You can give a smiling photo. And there are so many tools where you can keep a ring around your like profile photo and all the thing. You can check those uh, those tools. You can make it here. Okay,
Yeah.
so in here also, if you open LinkedIn on on mobile app, then you will see that there is an option of adding video. I think 30-second or something second video is there. If you are a like job seeker or providing any service, so in that case you can add a thing that, okay, hi, I am Ruparanjan, I am looking for a data analyst job. My primary skills are Python, SQL, Power BI and Excel. So I am looking for a job in Bangalore, Pune and Hyderabad location. If you are hiring, then please connect me on ruparanjan at gmail.com. So you can say it like that one, something like that one, very short and crispy introduction of yourself. You can say of, if you are providing service, then you can say that, okay, hi, I am Ruparanjan, I am providing I am a graphic designer, I work for startup founders and uh, like solopreneurs. So if you are looking for a graphic designer, then don't forget to check my about section and ping me. Okay, you can do like that one. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? They will get they are not seeing you personally, only your photo is seeing. But if you are adding a video, it is like connecting, creating a personal connection with the person. So they will better connect with you if there is a video of yours that is there. Then there is coming here background image. So this is the background image I created in Canva. You can do it also in Canva. So in this one I have written, if you can clearly see, this is written as I excel in SQL, Power BI and Python. So these are my skills: Excel, SQL and Power BI, Python. You can create something like that on your name or your GitHub profile and all the thing. You can create a simple one or add it here, and your contact number or phone number, email ID, you can give it here. Since I am not looking for any job currently, so I have kept it very simple. And if you are looking for a job, create a some simple thing. If I'll show it here in Canva, I think most of you have gone through Canva. And here if you'll search for LinkedIn.
LinkedIn cover.
Yeah, LinkedIn cover image, background or something like that one. So you'll find so many things, or you can just edit something. You can do it like that one. So that is not a rocket science or anything. You can easily do it. So but make sure this space, use this space to advertise yourself. This is like advertising space. If someone is clicking on your photo, let's say just uh, Karthik Subramaniam. Okay, if I'm opening his page, this guy is lead design leadership at Microsoft. See, product design, business design, live design, building a makers ecosystem. So this is his like what he is doing. We can see some other profiles thing also. Pinak Ratan uh, Pinak's profile. Let's see what is. Okay, see, this person is working in KPMG, but his profile photo is okay, but there is no background image. So I'm not sure. I have to go down all the way down to see. Okay, this is what he is doing. So this is not a good practice to keep it blank, because this is not costing you something. This is a prime advertise space. Okay, use this one to advertise yourself. What are your skills? What are the service you are providing? What is your contact number? And if you are having GitHub profile, just give a GitHub profile. Or if you are having a QR code, so put a QR code and link it to your GitHub profile. Okay, if some recruiter is coming, they can scan it and it will take you to your profile or your resume. Okay, so this is the thing you can do with your background image. Now it is like location. Next area is I am working in Pune area, so that is why it is showing. And if I click on this pen icon again, we'll see we can do something more also. Additional name is there, so I don't think that is required. You are, so if here you can see that if I am clicking here, it is saying, So my name, it is speaking my name, because some people make mistake while pronouncing my name. So I have added that one. These things you can do only from mobile. Okay. Am I going too fast?
I think pace is okay. It's okay.
Okay. So if I am going fast, then please let me know. Okay. So we'll click here. Then we can do some changes here. So headline, we can change it here. Current position. So if I will add something in my position area, so it will show it here. So currently, I am having two positions, that is associate analyst at Eaton and content creator at YouTube. So I will keep it here because that is my actual thing. And so then industry, which industry I am working. So here you can say that internet industry, like or supply chain or manufacturing, like that one. So actually my industry is manufacturing, so I will change it to manufacturing. Okay. So and education, where, which is my education, this will come, this drop down list will come from my education section that I have added later. Okay. So that is why it is showing two sections. uh, then location, India is my location, Pune and Pipri Chinchwad is my current area where I am there. Okay. Then it is having contact info. If you'll, I will click on edit contact info, that then there is showing that this is my URL link, my email, phone number. I can also add it here, and I don't want to add, so that's why I kept it blank. Birthday, you can add birthday. So here you can see that add website. Add website, what you can do here is, like if you are having any GitHub profile, or if you have like custom design website. Let's say I am having a website, ruparanjan uh, ranjan.com. Okay, so what kind of website it is? Is it personal, company, company website, or blog, or portfolio? Let's say I'll say this one is portfolio website, because all my work and all the thing it is there. So I have added it. So if there is another website, you can add it here. And instant messaging option is there, but that is not that good for our Indian. That is like Skype is there, Google Hangout, WeChat. We don't have WeChat. I don't think anyone is using. So skip this thing. So you can add
Uh,
this.
Ruparanjan, I would like to add one thing here. If you
Yeah.
go little bit above in the website URL,
Hmm.
so you added ruparanjan.com, which is really a good thing. It's always recommended for people to add their portfolio. Like, it is always recommended that you create your own website, take your own domain. That will not cost you a lot, and try to create a website in such a way, if somebody is visiting your website, they should be able to see. It's like your resume. Your website is
Yeah.
like your resume, right?
Digital
But
resume.
yeah, it's a digital resume. Recruiters will be able to see that, they will be able to download your resume. But just in case you are not good enough in building websites and all those things, completely okay. You can also add your GitHub profile here. Many
Yes.
people add their GitHub profile. So how to create a GitHub and how to create a beautiful GitHub with a beautiful readme, we'll try to go through that in the next Sunday's class. Yeah, over to you, Rupa, please.
Yeah. So that how Satyajit said that, that is true. If you are not having custom build website, then add your mm, GitHub profile. That is also okay. Okay. Then click on save. So I saved this one. So if I'll refresh this one, I think okay. I have to see where it went. Okay. Then we can see that there are three sections: open to, add profile, more. Okay. If I'm clicking on open, finding a new job, providing service, or hiring. So there are three type of people actually in LinkedIn. Either someone is looking for a job, or those freelancer who is like graphic designer, SEO thing, or hiring managers, or recruiters, HR people. Okay. So what is your option? Let's say in my case I am finding a new job. Okay. So what kind of job you are looking for? Okay, I will add title. Let's say data analyst. Okay. Or maybe business intelligence analyst. Intelligence. Okay. Business intelligence consultant, or something like that, whatever like is your preferred thing, you can add that one. Okay. what is the workspace I am think? Okay, I am seeing that on-site, hybrid, and remote. Okay, if I am not looking for complete office work, okay, I'll remove this one. I am looking for hybrid or remote. I don't want to go like full time to office. Which location? I am currently working in Pune, that's why it is showing Pune. I can add it like Bengaluru. Okay, so Bangalore area. So, and I am looking for a job in Hyderabad also. Hyderabad, Telangana area. Okay, job location. So remote, if it is remote, it doesn't matter. So start date. I am looking to join immediately because I am not having a job or I am in notice period. So I can add it like immediately I can join. What kind of job I am looking for? Full time, contract, part time, internship, temporary. You can add part time, or if you are a fresher, you can add also internship. So I don't want internship because I am having more year of experience. So I need full time job. So then click on add to profile. So whenever any like recruiter or some person sees your profile, it will show that okay, this person is looking for jobs. So whom it will show? All LinkedIn members or recruiter only? I'll put the recruiter only. I don't want everyone to see my thing and so, okay, ask me, or maybe someone from my company, if they will see that, they will ask like, oh, are you looking for switch? Okay, then that might create problem in my life. So I don't want that one. So then I will add it to my profile. So it is asking to me to turn on email update because whenever there will be any job posting about these data analyst, business analyst, in business intelligence consultant position, it will mail me. So I don't want to flood my email with this thing. So I'll click no, no thanks. Otherwise, you can update in settings. Okay. So see, now it is showing open to work data analyst, business intelligence consultant role. So if I'll click on see all details, it will show everything only to recruiters. Okay. Then our profile section, that is like all the things that is below in our profile. It is showing the same thing like education, position, career break, skills, recommendation, additional. Those we'll see later. Then this is the more section, that is the most beautiful thing that I like about LinkedIn. Okay, share profile in a message. That is something, if you want to share your profile to a recruiter or some your friend, that you can do. So if you'll click on, then you can type the name and send them. That is not the best thing that I am talking about. Okay, save to PDF. Okay, let me do this thing, then see what it happens. Okay, now I'll open this one. See, doesn't it look like a resume? Right? Okay, Ruparanjan, aspiring data analyst, Power BI, Power BI, SQL, Excel, Python. I'm in Pune area. Summary is there. Then experience section and all the thing, education, everything is there. Here, in my certification are there, language is there, top skills are there, contact number is there. Okay, so even you can use the LinkedIn to create your resume. You don't need to go to any Canva and all the thing. You can create with this one. And if you'll go to build a resume, this is also facility is there. Here you can also do it here. Either you can also upload resume from your like system and all, you can do it. Otherwise, you can create from profile option is there. Okay, so you can give the job title like data analyst or like that one. Okay, apply. So see, they have created this resume, Ruparanjan Mahapatra and all the thing they have created on their own. Okay, this section looks little bit better and than the previous one. And here is the section you can edit also this thing. Once you have edited, then you can more more, then download as PDF or make a copy. Okay, you can download this one as a PDF. Okay, see, this is like little bit like simpler version than the previous one. Okay, so this is the feature that I like the most in LinkedIn. Okay, we'll go back to our profile. Okay, and another thing, if you'll see that my URL, see, it is like linkedin.com/in/ruparanjan -m. But if you'll see that there are so many people are there whose like URL is very big. I'm not sure. I don't know anyone. I'm opening the things randomly. Let's see how other people URL is. Okay, I can guarantee that. Okay, see, he is Dinesh Kumar Samal. His like profile is like Dinesh hyphen Kumar hyphen Samal and 09 thing and all the thing. Okay, see, Sagar Prajapati hyphen 860 something is there. Okay. See, Trishna Nair, only short and simple. Because I can remember Trishna hyphen Nair or Ruparanjan hyphen M. I can't remember this number. This number I can't remember. So you have to change this one. This doesn't look professional and thing. You can change it here. Edit public profile and URL. If you click it here, so here it is there, you can go there and give it name and see if it is available or not. You can't give that underscore or a thing like that one, so you can do like that one. And here also you can do like your public profile view. Public profile view means like if someone is not logged into LinkedIn and he is like opening your profile, what thing they can see? I have done it off. Okay, I can do it on, I can on it, then see that they can see my name and designation area, these things they can see. Okay, and I can add what things they can see. Okay, whatever I will like remove, it will not show to them. Background image, if I'll hide, see, background image is gone. If I'll see headline, if you will hide, then headline is also gone. Okay, I don't want someone to miss my headline, so they should know that what I am working. Okay, website I'll show. Okay, maybe summary I will not show them, or current experience I don't want to show them. Okay, you can do it, play with your as per your convenience. As of now, I'll keep it off because I need so much time to like analyze what I want to show them and what I don't want to show them. So this is the thing. And after that one, we'll go back to our main profile and refresh this one. Okay.
Rupa, let's take some questions. There are some questions in the chat box.
Okay.
One of them is asking any suggestion for a finance related background for your cover image. And
Mhm.
another person named Arindam is asking, he is a ETL and SSIS developer. What
Mhm.
kind of background image he can put in?
Okay, so finance, for finance purpose, like what is your like what the work you are doing? Let's say you are working in merger and acquisition, or maybe portfolio management, or like whatever things you are doing. Okay, add a image of yours. Like here, you can add a image of yours, like in round shape or something, or your company logo. Like if you are working in Amazon or like let's say Standard Chartered Bank, Deutsche Bank, and all the thing you are working, those are very prestigious banks, and that bank also provides you very much recognition in the corporate world. So put a logo of them here, you can put a logo of them. Then you can say that okay, my name is Ruparanjan Mahapatra, then I am working a designation, you can put. Then what are my skills, I can put those skills in bracket and all the thing I am doing. Then give your contact email ID and phone number, whichever email ID you are using for jobs and all the purpose. You can give that one and give the phone number that you don't like mind someone if someone is calling you. Maybe sometimes recruiter may not call you. Might be some candidate might be calling you to get your like insight from you, like some advice from you. So give it in that way. In that way also you are building connection with people. Okay, and coming to Arindam, then if you are ETL developer, you can also like do something like this one. And what are your skills? Let's say SSIS, Power BI, ETL developer, and all the thing you can do like that one. Or you can write like that how many products you are working. Or a simple thing is like uh, let's say you someone has worked in 4 5 companies, they can give a timeline here, like give a timeline here, like I started working here, then this one, then this one, then this company, and from my duration from let's say 2002 to 2005 I was here, then 2005 to 2010 I was here, then like that one. You can give them that one. Okay, it will show also like, and what was your designation there? First company I was having intern, then like associate, senior associate, consultant, senior consultant, or like that one. Like it will show that okay, your career progression it will show. And what are the skills you have acquired in this one, or certification if you have acquired anything. Let's say some certification, like let's say Tableau desktop developer certification, or something like those which are like Microsoft certification are there. Okay, which are valuable certification, or like Udemy certificate or something, those valuable certification, you can add those things in the background image. This is like something trial and error. You have to try and
Mm.
try something, see that okay, if this is working or not. Previously my like cover image was Amazon picture when I was in Amazon. Then I left Amazon, then I removed that thing. So then I have put it here. Like this shows that okay, this is my skills, and I want to get hired for these skills. Okay,
Mm.
something like that one. Or you have to think in that same line.
I would like to add one more point. Why don't you, see in your space, let's say you are into finance background or you are into ETL developer, there might be some idols or there might be some people who might you might be following, right? You might be following their posts or something like that. Why don't you also check out their page and take ideas? And
Yeah.
I'm not telling you to copy right away their ideas and do it for yourself, but you can take ideas and just be creative. The best thing that you can do is what Ruparanjan has already done, like showcasing your skills, what you have. That gives a clear picture. If somebody is looking out your profile, he or she will be able to understand that this candidate knows Excel, he knows SQL, he knows Power BI, he knows Python. So this is good. Probably even while you were taking a session, I also updated my cover photo. So I mean, my cover photo is like I am into data science and analytics industry. I also do some YouTube work and all those things. So my cover photo is also related to what work I do, right? So
Yeah.
you know, contact number. One person is asking, can we add contact number in the contact info?
Yes, yes, you can add. See, why I have not added is that I don't want a job or a call. I don't expect, because once I added like 2 years ago, my number was public, but I got so many calls from like people like asking for how to get into Amazon and all the things. But I could not handle that much of call. Like even my capacity, I am working in 8 hour, 9 hour in company. Then I have some personal work and all the things. I could not handle so much call. That's why I removed it. But if you are looking for a job, then please add that one, because it will help the recruiter to call you instantly. So instead of going to your resume, then checking your phone number, then typing it, then it is better to add it here, contact info, then give your phone number. Then that's the best thing to do. Okay, so don't miss that chance, I'll say. Okay, I think we should continue that one.
Yeah.
So then it is coming the analytics section. This is private to you, means it I can only see in this section. So how many people are viewing my profile? You can see that 9,616 people are viewing my profile. If I'll click it here, see, I am not getting, I'm not premium member. That's why I am not able to see it. Even you can see it. But LinkedIn used to send an email saying that how many people are seeing your even notification. Maybe I have disabled that notification. It will say that what are the designation of people who are searching you. What are the designation for which people are searching you? Let's say if people are searching for data analyst and my profile is showing, then it is a good thing. But if they are searching for data science or data engineering or maybe some random profile and my profile is showing, then that's not a good thing. Okay, my profile should show only for data analyst, so that what will happen, he will be okay, this guy is data analyst, so let me reach out to him. Okay, so that's why you have to make your like this thing
Mm.
very clear, data
Mm.
analyst. Okay, you should not write random things and all. Then you here it will say 1,27,675 post impression. So this will only start showing, and if you will like start posting content and all the thing, if you'll click it here, then it will show that past 7 days performance, then past 1 year something performance, it will show. So I'll show that one last 365 days, like 1 year performance, it is like 8.7 million impression. So this is only happen when you are posting regularly and all the things. This is the part we'll cover in later section. So that is the thing. Then top engagement demographic. Software engineer are the people who are mostly engaging with my profile. Then data analyst, business analyst, content creator, this thing. So this is some insight. This feature is added recently. Let's say I think 2 months back or something, 2 month or 3 months back. But this is a good profile. Otherwise, people used to pay some $6 or $7 to get this kind of insight also. Okay, so then it is having 453 search appearances. Okay, so where my search people who are searching me were YouTube, Amazon, Eaton, Cognizant, Accenture. This is the sorry, that was the thing which I told that is for here. Sorry, that got mixed. So keyword you are found for curator research analyst. This is the keyword for which I got found many times, and curator is another keyword. Okay, top job titles of your searcher. So software developers are searching me more, like 13%, then student, founder, salesperson, executive director. I hope this founder offer me some job or something, so since they are looking for me. Okay, and if you are going premium, then you can get more insight of these things. Okay, so this is the thing that is like personal to you. This is like analytics thing that will help you like where you stand like in your profile optimization and your content view and all the thing. So then there are resources. This is also only private to me. If you open your profile, it will show to you only. So creator mode will only available if you are having I think 3000, 4000, or 5000 like a connection. I don't know, connection or follower, I am not sure. So I am talking about in this topics like business, resume tips, office culture, personal finance, and interview preparation. I can add 5 hashtags. So whatever your profile, let's say I am here adding topic like data analytics jobs, or only data analytics. Okay, I'm talking about data analytics. And so I think how to remove this one. Okay, I can't add because this is five, already five. So I'll remove this one, and this one I will add. Let's say I am talking about SQL. Okay, so Power BI I am talking about. Okay, that's Power BI. Okay, whenever someone is like looking for hashtag, then it will come. Okay, so creator mode also having some advantage like LinkedIn live, you can come, audio event, newsletter, and all the thing, then you can click on done. So these are the things for which you are speaking. Okay, then coming to all the thing like my network, it is like all your like people whom you are connected to. So if you will see 18,000 people I am connected to, then contacts 1066 people follow. I follow people. So and events and all the thing. So hashtags I am following 3. So these are the thing you can get from here. Then personal demographic information, salary inside. Okay, I'll open all the thing. Then demographic info, then you can add your gender and disability information. These are like if you'll pay if you give your detail, they will show you like in like premium membership and all the thing. But this is not that useful thing, don't think about this one. Then salary thing, this is something useful thing then that you can use. You can see my designation is associate analyst, that's in Pimpri Chinchwad area. So it is showing that what is the base salary people are getting for this associate analyst position in Pimpri Chinchwad area. So you can see that average salary is 4,20,000 and range is 2.4 lakh to 7.1 lakh. So total compensation, and you can see the something. And region wise, Pune is paying 4,20,000, and Chennai area is 4,03,000, Mumbai area is 3,25,000, and all the thing. You can see that one. And jobs similar to this one, you can see that here. You can use this one to find the job uh, of a data analyst. Okay, salary of a data analyst. Maybe let's say maybe Bengaluru. We'll check Bengaluru. How much is the okay? Let's say here it is saying 5 lakh per year is the best salary. Okay, so it can go up from 2 lakh 40,000 to 11 lakh. Okay, which companies are hiring? let's say Accenture, the math company, TCS, you might be knowing all of these companies. You can apply for those companies, and you can see that data analyst salary, senior data analyst salary, operation analyst, and all the thing. You can get some insight from this tool. Okay, and activity, this is the activity section. You can see that only it will be visible to me. I think this one will be visible to everyone. So all
Yeah.
activity, like, yeah, see here, I have given some comments to this post, then I like this one. So this is showing articles. If you have published any articles on LinkedIn, it will show here. Then posts. So this is the post for this workshop. I have posted at 12 or something, and this is showing. And you can get the insight like to 8,861 impressions and view analytics. If I'm putting view analytics, then it will show reactions, comments, and shares, and all the thing. It will show. Not every post that you are posting it will go viral and all the thing. So that might, there might be another thing that get more thing. Here this one got 25,000 impression. If I click on analytics, it will show that okay, 31 reaction, 12 comments, and all the thing. And who are the people? You can see that software engineer. I think software engineer are everywhere, so they are engaging good with my thing. And documents, like if you are uploading any PDF and all, then it will show in document section. So this is a SQL cheat sheet I uploaded. So this got some 531 thing, 63,000 impression. If you will see analytics, okay, this is the thing. 27 comments, 38 people shared on these things. So you can see that how your content is performing. Okay, so we'll then, this is like saved item. So jobs, I have said these things are like related to my job, so I saved this one. And my learning, so you know that LinkedIn learning is there, so those things are there. And saved post, so which I keep kept saving posts which are like, I think it will be required to me in the future, so I keep saving those posts. It will, if I click here, it will come there. So let's go back to our uh, main profile.
Ruparanjan, can we take some questions? There are four
Yeah, yeah,
questions. Yeah.
yeah.
So the first question is by Nikhil. What is the difference between paid and free subscription in LinkedIn?
Okay. Okay, if you are taking paid membership, then there are few advantages. Like you are you will get 5 emails, and I think where to get those things. I think premium membership. I think somewhere here it will be there, because when they advertise it so much. And 5 emails you can send, that is like, if you are not connected with people, then you can send 5 messages, custom made messages to them. So that is one advantage. Then you can start learning from LinkedIn learning. Then advantage, this is for like basic thing. And like some analytics you can see, that one that I was showing analytics, that you can see. There are also premium for HR people who can like segregate based on location, like year of experience and all the things. If I'll search for here people, then I can search based on the number of year of experience. But HR people need that one. Okay, they need some senior guy having 10 year of experience, so they can segregate based on that one. And if someone is willing to like remote job, okay, they can look that one. Or they're looking for, okay, someone who can come to office, so they can like segregate those things. Then there are sales navigator thing is there, that is for lead generation. Okay, I need like who are the startup founders in Bangalore area who are into, let's say, finance service. Okay, let's say Slice, Unicard, like those kind of things. I want to like target those people on, they are my in my radar to sell my product or service. So I can do that one. To be honest, LinkedIn premium is a waste of money. It is taking some 1200 or something rupees, but it is a waste of money. And only thing you can do that, who is seeing your profile and all the thing. I think that is some bullshit thing that no one needs. What you will do with, if someone is looking at your profile or not? So to be honest, and if you're thinking that okay, like um, I am getting 5 emails and all the thing, I will give you a trick, free trick. You can send unlimited email to anyone. Okay, let's go somewhere. Let's say I'm not connected to Trishna Nair. Okay, so but I want to send a email to her. Okay, so what I can do, go to more, connect. In connect, you will have a option to add a note. Okay, I'm writing, hi Trisha. Okay, I came across your profile, and this I want this from you and all the thing. Can we connect? Okay, then if I send this one, so what will happen? It will go to his like network, and if you'll see here, all the people who have sent me like connection request here, you have not added any note. Okay, but when I am going there and adding a note, it will show it here. Okay,
Yeah.
whether he is accepting the thing or not, it will show it him to her. Then she can read that one. Okay, there is a high chance like she will like accept my request, because I have added a custom like message to her. Okay, so your part is like uh, someone should read your message. Okay, she got your message. Okay, so you don't need any like send like spend 1200 to you don't like to give 1200 to LinkedIn. You can give it to me also. Okay.
I think LinkedIn gives like 1 month free or something
Yeah,
that
yeah,
people can utilize,
yeah.
but
That you can utilize for courses and all the thing. You can
uh,
utilize that one.
but
Okay.
taking premium explicitly, I don't think there is a necessity. Yeah.
And also for freshers and all the thing, 1200 is a very big amount. Even
Yes.
I will not pay that much. Even after so many years of experience, I am making good amount of money. I don't feel that is like cost effective for me. So if
Yeah.
you are having a lot of money, you can spend there. So it's up to you. Yeah. Next
One
question is
more
there.
one more question is by Sikhar Saxena. LinkedIn skills assessment. Does
Hmm.
it helps to get noticed from recruiters?
To be honest, no. Okay, why I am saying, in LinkedIn skill assessment there are some 15 question or something will be there. You have to complete that one in 1 minute, 2 minute, or per question 2 minute or something. And there are very easy question, and you can get those answers anywhere. If you will search in Google or something, you will get those answers. So that doesn't mean, if you go to my profile, I am having skill badge. Oh, where is the skill badge? Or maybe I removed that one. I was editing that one. I may have removed that one.
Yeah.
So I am having skill base for Excel and all the thing. That doesn't mean I am pro at everything at Excel. Okay, I might be having one thing at Excel that I know very well. That doesn't mean I know every part of Excel, because Excel is also a very vast thing. Okay,
Mm.
so that is the thing. So it doesn't help that much. But
Yeah.
if you are having skill, then take the test and all the thing. It will show that, okay, then like fast impression, it will create a good impression, but that doesn't mean it will like land you in interview and all the thing like that one.
Yeah. Because ultimately, skill assessments will be seen by the recruiters, and I mean, no offense, but recruiters have very limited technical knowledge. So they will definitely be checking your resume rather than that this person has passed the machine learning test, let's hire him. So that will not happen. But yeah,
Yeah,
it will create an initial impression and probably it will help. But yeah, it's dicey. I mean, take it, but don't expect that based on that you will get a job. Right.
yeah,
And the answers are available. If you search, all the answers are available on Google, on GitHub pages. If you search, if you are a good Google searcher, you can easily get the answers.
yeah, that's the thing. Even that lead code problems, everything is available on
Yeah.
online. So that's nothing. Okay, any
One
more?
more question from Durgesh is, if we have completed any certification, then can we add it on top?
Like yeah, yeah, you
Uh,
can add those things. Like if you something like CFA certification, or it's not that. Okay, see, I see certification in two way. Let's say you are doing some data analytics certification or Power BI certification or something on Udemy or something. Those certification doesn't carry any value. Okay, people go after those certifications. Even if someone is conducting a cohort or something, then people come asking like, can you get a certificate, can you get a certificate? Okay, to be honest, those certification doesn't carry much value. Those skills that will acquire, that carries value, but the certification doesn't carry value, because any private player can provide that certificate. Even I have, you can go to Canva and edit a certificate and put it on your LinkedIn, but those things, that doesn't work. Only if you're
Mm.
like something that is like say Microsoft certification, those
Mm.
works,
Yeah.
or AWS certification, those matters. Okay, because there is a authority who is providing you that certificate. You will not get AWS certification from let's say from me. You will not get, even if I'll add a my name and all the thing. Okay, I have
Yeah.
yeah, that doesn't carry much value.
Yeah,
So
Udemy
don't go after it.
certificates also no. Somebody's asking Udemy certificates. They are of no value because it's like you're completing pre-recorded courses and you will get the certificates, right?
Yeah, you can
So
just complete the video, you will get a certification. That doesn't carry much value. Add
yeah,
certification which is having industry value. Okay, PMPC certification, Six Sigma certification, like that ISB QT, I think something for testing and all the things. Those certification.
yeah,
Add those certification link. If you are having that those certification, add that one with proud that okay, I have cleared this certification. W certification
yeah.
I have completed. Okay,
AWS certifications, Azure certifications. These
yeah,
are yeah,
add that one with pride that okay, I have completed that. How many people are there who is completing all those certificates? Okay, I have completed. Okay, add it
yeah.
there.
Yeah, and one more thing is that yes, as your screen you already have featured, right? So
Hmm.
what people also do is obviously they will add that in your licenses and certificates. People also create posts that this is, I mean, today I have completed the Azure DA 100 certification, blah blah blah, and
Hmm.
you can also feature it in your profile so that when
Yeah.
somebody visits in your profile, the first thing that they will see is your featured posts.
Yes.
So that is also beneficial, right?
Okay. Yeah, going to that featured section. Yeah. So if you'll see that plus icon, so if I'll click, add a post, add a newsletter, add a article, add a link, add a media. Okay. Add a link means let's say give your resume. First thing you should add is add your resume. Give the Google Drive link and all the thing. So add your or Dropbox link. Add a link of your resume. Okay. So what will happen if some recruiter is scanning your LinkedIn portfolio? They see your okay, they see that okay, this candidate is perfect, but that doesn't mean that they will process things from LinkedIn. They need a resume because it should go to their database. Okay, if your resume is there, then it is easy for them to, because your email is there and your phone number is there. From there they can directly upload it in their database, and they can do all the work. If it is not there, then they can go to you, reach out to you in email, phone number, then they will ask you your resume, then you might forget to send in time. So that creates a lot of things. And you can add like that one. And add media means if your certification is in photo format or like PDF format, you can add those things. And post, you can see in my featured section, all are like post. I have not added my resume because I'm not looking for a job currently. So I have given all my posts that are 15 steps to write a good resume, how to write a test friendly resume, because I feel that this post will be helpful for the people who are new to my connections and all the things. Because this post that I have written, it was not having 350 reaction when I written it. So it was having very less, I think 200 or something thing. People continuous liking it, and by that way it reached like 340 things. Okay, so if you see that it is 2 years old post, okay, I'm still getting some likes and views for this thing. But if you are looking for a job, add your resume, add your GitHub profile, and add your like project if you have done anything, or certification if any, like Azure certification, like DA something is there, so you can add those things. Okay, now activity section, I think I have shown already. So all the post and all the thing it will show. Now coming to the about section. So about section, in my thing I have written this one, so don't go by my profile whatever I have written. So this is about section, consider it like some, if someone is asking, an interviewer is asking you, Ruprajan, can you tell me something about yourself? how you will introduce yourself. Okay, let's say I'm introducing myself. Hi, I am Ruparanjan. Currently I am working as an associate analyst at Eaton, and my work is this thing. And prior to this one, I was working with Amazon. I am having this many years of experience, and my skills are all these things and all things. So that way someone is getting a good like picture of me. Okay, from like my career thing, and what are the skills I am having, what company I have worked, and what are the things I am doing now. And if you can add some like extracurricular activities that might be helpful for thing, like if I am having skills like presentation skill, I am having a good presentation skill that might be helpful for the company to like they need some people who can present them in other companies and all the things that happens. So you can add that one. So this is the thing I have added. If you are referral in my company, then below this form and all the thing, YouTube link and Instagram link I have added. So that is not needed. I will edit these things. So it's a long time I have not edited this one. So you should consider this one like prime real estate space where you can introduce yourself to a potential recruiter or something, someone who is might not be recruiter. He might be a some startup founder or someone who might be looking at you. You don't know who is looking at you. Okay, every day my post got 10,000 20,000 views. I don't know who is the person watching those posts. Maybe someone, some recruiter or some founder might be seeing my post. I don't know. Okay,
Hmm.
so use this post very cautiously, and think creatively also how you can get people's attention, because attention is something that you don't get easily. People get bored very quickly. That's why you see that reels are now popular. Okay, because 30 second 15 second, that's the thing. Okay, so now coming to experience section, you can.
Ruparanjan, there is a question related to the featured section.
Mhm.
Just can you show a little bit about how to rearrange that in the edit option? Yeah,
Okay, I think if I'll go here,
you can. Yeah, click on
I think
that double arrows top on top. Double
mhm.
arrows. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
So
think here we
yeah,
can do.
here
Here is the
drag
symbol.
and drop.
We
Yes.
drag and drop. We can do it here. So if your like if your resume is uploaded later, so you can drag to the top. You can do it. So that's the simple thing that you can do with
Hmm.
that one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So next is the experience section. If you'll go to here, then if you'll see the editing option. So in for individual thing, it is option is there. So what are the thing I am getting? Title. My title is associate analyst. My department is GitHub, and I am working full time. So company name. So here, if you'll see that thing, I'll show it here. So Eaton, if you'll, I am searching Eaton, only one thing is there. Okay, but let's say I am searching Amazon. Okay. See, there are so many things. Amazon, Amazon Web Service, Amazon Recruit, Amazon Lab 126. There will be so many things. Amazon Games, Amazon Global Service, Logistic, Business things. If someone is working like something like that, or maybe Deloitte is having so many names also, like UI might be having UI, GDS, and all the thing is there. You should be very particular about which company you have to selecting, because if I am like when I was in Amazon, the actual company name was Amazon Development Center. This is the thing. Actual company name is this one, because in India its name is Amazon Development Center India Private Limited. But why I was putting it here, because most of the people are putting this name, and there will be some so many things. So if I'll like open it here, Amazon, okay, internet publishing company, you will see the 26.5 million follower. Okay, so it will be very easy for me to connect those people. Okay, so that's the one like advantage is there. And don't keep this one to like some like if you'll see that this icon is showing that there is no picture and all the thing. Maybe I hope your company will be having a LinkedIn page and all the thing. So if there is no a LinkedIn page of your company, then that is different thing. But if it is having, then see that put the correct company image. And location you can give the precise location, Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad area. That is, this is not a very big thing, you can skip this one, but I give that, okay, this gives the idea to recruiter that okay, I am working in Pune. Okay, so they can, like, if someone is from Hyderabad, like let's say a recruiter is from Gurgaon, he has to think twice to approach me, because I'm working in Pune, let's say southern part of India, okay, western part of India. So Gurgaon is in northern part of India. Whether I will be interested to relocate to Gurgaon, there is a high chance that no. Okay, I might not be interested in going to Gurgaon. So that's the thing. It makes them clear. They will save their time. You will save your time. Okay, then I'm currently working here. Tick mark October 2021. I have started it here. If I'll okay, if I'll uncheck it, it will show okay when I left in that thing. Okay, then industry is manufacturing. I have recently updated in front of you. Description. This is the main important thing. This is also a prime real estate property for your like online real estate property. Okay, what thing people do, like they are like I am working on SQL, Power BI, and let's say Excel. Okay, like that one they write, but you can write it in a very different way that can attract the recruiter. How it will, you can do it also. This is only a example. You can think of your thing, like your example and other thing, whatever profile you are in, you know what work you are doing. Okay, let's say I have created let's say Python coding, okay, which saves 30% of every executive's time. Python coding, let's say to automate, uh, let's say data from which source, maybe SAP. Okay, which says 30% of every executive's time. Okay, what are the thing I have done here? Okay, here I said that I have done some Python coding. Okay, so this is saying that okay, what work I am doing, what it did, automate data from automatically downloading data from SAP. Okay, this is the thing it is doing. Then what was the like output of that one? Okay, it says 30% of every executive's time. Okay, this is a format is the star format. If you, this is new to you, then star format: situation, task, action, result. Okay, so this is the thing I used Python coding to do this one, and at the result, as a result, 30% saving executives time. Okay,
Hmm.
you can write it like that way. Okay, it doesn't matter what are your like JD. Don't copy paste your JD. Whatever your JD was, you got in like starting. You don't copy paste that one. Okay, you need to do this one, this one, this one. Okay, I am doing this one, this one, this one. Don't do like that one. You always follow the star format. Okay, I did this one, and this is how I did. Then this is the result I got. Okay, so this, in this way it will be helpful for you to that I showed that resume building. If you are downloading the resume directly from LinkedIn also, then it will also that resume will be very useful for you, instead of writing that okay, I was generating leads and all the thing and all the thing. It's better way of writing a description. Then profile headline, that I changed that one there. It is also showing it here. Okay, skills, I can add skills here. Okay, I think I was doing some experiment on my skills and all the thing, that's why my skill section got deleted or something. So I will add it later, I will add. So then save it here. Okay, so I will discard the changes because I have not decided what to write. I have not added. That doesn't mean that you will also not add. Okay, I'll see that. Okay, if you can see that I was working in Amazon Senior Trade Compliance Associate. So roles and responsibility, you can see it here. Okay, reporting violation of rules, regulation, policies, and procedure, and these things I have added like explicitly what work I was doing. Okay, So you can do like that one. Okay. Then all the experiences I have added here. Okay. So whatever your experience is, you can add those things. Okay. Let's go to next section, experience. Then education section. In education, I studied in Biju Patnaik University of Technology, Odisha, same as Satyajit Patnaik also. So here also I will do one say one thing. Here you can see like when we were in like college, we don't used to call it Biju Patnaik University of Technology. We call it BPUT. Okay, but if I'll put it BPUT here, let's say if something is coming or not. Okay, BPUT. Okay, because somewhere in background it is there. Okay, if I will not select it, see BPUT is there. There is no logo or anything. So what will happen if I am like putting it here BPUT? What will happen? All the people who have put BPUT as their education, it will show their they are my alma mater. Okay, when I am searching for a job, let's say I am going to job section. Okay, let's say data analyst senior account management. This job is there. Okay, so see here it is showing the 350 alumni work here. So this is my college, my university. Okay, 350 alumni work there. Okay, remove this thing, reset. I think something I did. Okay. Just a second, I clicked something different, that's why it is showing so. Okay, let's go to job section and open this one, Deloitte section. You can see that okay, poor connection of working here, but I think what happened that was showing that how many from my school was working. Okay,
Yeah,
uh,
there is one in Qualcomm. 50 alumni work here.
yeah, 50 alumni work here. If I'll click on here, one company alumni, 50 school alumni. Okay, let's see who are the school alumni work here. Okay, Sumit Sau and is there, Ramandeep, yeah, Chinmay Parida. I can say that all Odia surnames are there. Okay, what will happen now? It connect a personal connect. Like Satyajit Patnaik and I were studied in different colleges. Like, but at the end we are all part of the BPUT. Okay, when he knows that okay, this guy is also from BPT, I am also BPT, it create a personal connection. Whatever you may say that like regionalism doesn't matter and all the thing, but when you are knowing that someone is a known people, some feeling will come that okay, this person is my known people, let me help them. Okay, if someone is from like IIT, why IIT IIM are very famous? Because of their alumni network. Okay, there is a job. Okay, you see that okay, I am Ahmedabad people is working there, you can just ping them. Okay, bro, I am also from your same college. Okay, same, we share the same school. Okay, can you there is a job in your company, can you refer me there? Okay, that is how it works, like building the connection and all the things. So what is the person will see? Okay, I see that okay, Sumit Sau is there, let's say Chinmay Parida is there. Okay, I don't know which college he passed out from, but I see that he is passed out from Biju Patna University of Technology and 2006 to 10 batch. So I get okay, he can say that okay, this is also, this guy is also from my college. Okay, that's where connections build. Okay, and I saw that there are few people who are putting explicitly, I have seen this one for Vellore, VIT Vellore. People put VIT Vellore. See, the complete name is Vellore Institute of Technology, but if you put it like VIT, okay, there will be no name. Okay, you will see that there is no name called VIT. Okay, you have to see that what is your college name in, like in LinkedIn, like I am Ahmedabad. We know that it is I am Ahmedabad. What if the I am Ahmedabad profile is like Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad? You have to put that name there. Okay, so don't put some name where it is not having a like LinkedIn page. I'll change this one to again to Biju Patnaik University of Technology because I want my alma mater to find me. Okay, so Degree, I did BTech and field of study electronics telecommunication engineering 2009 to 13 batch. Grade, you can add this one. I don't feel that is necessity. Activities and description you can add. If you are having the certificate and all the thing, you can add it, but that is not necessary. Okay.
One person is asking what is that first, second, and third. Is that first, second, and third connections?
Where, yeah, when I was showing jobs,
Even
I
I
think.
don't know. Can you, Durgesh? Can you please explain where did you see this first, second, and third?
Yeah, first level connection, second level
I
connection.
think it first level, second level, and third
Yeah,
level. Yeah,
first level connection is the people whom I have connected with. Okay,
direct
second
connection.
person, second direct connection. I have directly connected with them. Second level connection are the people who are my connections connection. Okay, and third level is that we don't have any mutual connection between us. What I know, like friends, you know, some friends, he's having some connection with MLA and all the thing. They will do the work and all the thing. This is also same concept. Okay, you know someone, they know someone. Okay, that's how work is done everywhere.
Yeah,
Okay, so then license and certification. Here you can add all your certification and all the thing. Like if you have done any good certification, like DA certification and data engineering certification and Tableau certification, whatever certification you have done, even here you can add the certifications of like Udemy and all the thing. But Udemy, as I said, Udemy doesn't hold much value than like HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy's certification is little bit higher authority. Okay, because HubSpot is a very popular, like it is a single platform. They are they hold all the content. Okay, the content quality is in their hand, but in Udemy the content quality is not in Udemy's hand. Okay,
yeah,
so and if you are getting certified, let's say if some of you might be uh, mm, uh, doing the data analyst cohort with Satyajit Pattai, when you are getting certification and all the thing, just add it here with like image and all the thing. So because in his case, he's like holding the authority of what content goes to that certification and doing that certification. Okay, that's where like authority matters. Okay,
yeah,
so here you can
yeah.
see that show credential. I can, if I'll thing. So it is like Ruparanjan Mahapatra content marketing certified, valid from this one to this one. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, then
Mm.
you can add the volunteering experience. So I was doing so good era in when I was in Amazon. So then I stopped. Then lockdown happened. Then from that one it stopped. Like if you are like having some cause, you are supporting, be it LGBTQ or cycling or something. If you are part of some group and all the things, then add it here. Why add it here? You might see that okay, one of my manager was there who is very fond of marathons. Okay, if you are marathon runner and he is marathon runner, or you are a Chelsea fan and he is Chelsea fan, there is a instant connection. And you will not believe that works very much effectively than any of your resume, any
Yeah,
like format of a resume. Oh, those things, like if you know that in offices, those who have sutta and all the thing, sutta and daru, they get connected with much faster with the higher management. Okay, that's how
yes.
it works. Okay, don't forget those things. That doesn't mean I am endorsing you to have sutta and daru. I am saying okay. So apart from sutta and daru, there are some cause people also, like my manager is a huge Chelsea fan or something, and one guy is a Chelsea fan. That most of the time they talk about football and all the thing. Like some of you might be having Dhoni fan or someone, and your manager recruiter is a Kohli fan, then you are gone. Okay, then you will be first thing is that who is the best, Kohli or Dhoni. Okay, so that's the thing. So having pros and cons also. Okay, so you
Yeah,
should not. Okay, thank God it the skills batch came in. I passed a LinkedIn skill assessment for Excel. That doesn't mean I know everything in Excel or thing. There are so many things also I'm learning day by day. So you can see that okay, take a skill quiz. If you click on this one, you can go to skill quiz section, and there are so many things that you can take this one. I think there are three like attempt, you can do it. Or if you are like failing in first attempt, then LinkedIn will suggest you to take some course, and I think that one is for free or something. uh,
It's free.
See, yeah, if you fail the thing, then see, 15 multiple choice question is there, 1.5 minute per question, and the score in top 30% to earn a badge. Okay, so do you really feel that someone can access someone's SEO skills with these 15 questions? I think no. To be
Hmm.
honest, if I am a recruiter, I will not judge someone if someone having SEO assessment. I will tell you a real story. 2 3 days back, 10th class result of Odia medium like thing, 10th result published, and the highest person, the student who got highest mark is has scored 598 out of 600. Okay, and he has scored 100 to 100 in Odia. Okay, if you ask any Odia guy, okay, and who has studied in Odia medium school, how hard it is to score 80 in Odia. Okay,
Yeah, let's talk about normal language also, English, Hindi.
yeah,
We cannot
normal.
score 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100, it is impossible. But
Yeah.
how that guy has scored like 100 to 100? Because the question format has changed. Now they are having 50% multiple choice. There is a high chance you score 50 to 50 in like multiple choices question, and then there is one mark question 30 or something, one mark question 20, like long answer thing. When you are writing something long, then your skills matter. Okay, like how, why the people fail in like UPSC second thing prelim, everyone clears prelim, why they fail in main? Because in main section you have to write so many paragraphs. That is where your skill matter. That you will not believe, one guy was there in our like in seniors, our senior was there. He took 4 cheats, why ABCD. He put the things, and in JE exam he put the thing. He will like pick a cheat. Okay, this is C. Okay, he will mark the C, and you will not believe me, he scored more. He got a good rank than the better students. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, so don't go for like, okay, if I am having this skill assessment and I have asked it, then it will be a very big thing for recruiters. No, that will not be happen. And endorsement, like if you are opening any others profile, so if you will see that let's say
No,
let's
I will tell few things here, Ruparanjan. Very minute things, because I have seen how a profile looks from a HR recruiter's point of view. Because
yeah.
I was closely in contact with multiple HRs. One of the HRs actually showed their interface, how it looks. So
Mhm.
whenever somebody has, for example, there are 10 people, right?
Mhm.
And if two people have done their skill assessments, so when the HR receives the profile, right, if 10 people have applied for a job, so it
Yeah.
will by default filter those two people as top, and it will show
Acha.
that these are the top two people who have completed the skill assessment, this thing. Now,
Mhm.
it, I no hard feelings, but HRs might not know technically like what's good, what's bad, right? For them, skill assessment could be something like, oh, this person has already cracked some LinkedIn kind of interview, like a preset interview or something like that. They might prioritize your profile. There is a chance.
Yeah,
So,
take it. I'll
uh,
say take it, but don't say that.
let's take
Think that
it.
okay, this is the everything.
Exactly. Let's take it, but yeah, let's practice more and more. If you are showing SQL, better be good at SQL. Practice more on lead code, hacker rank, and all those things.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So recommended in section like I'm having top three skills is Excel, SQL, and Tableau. I have shown. So
Hmm.
I can add here other skills. I can add it here, but I can like prioritize only three skills which will be showing to people. And if you, let's say I'm going to Satyajit Patnaik's profile, let's see what are the skills he has added. You see machine learning, deep learning, and data analysis. Okay, if I am going machine learning and endorse, okay, since I am there in its connection, and but it asks like how do you know him and all the thing. So it will ask, okay, you can endorse if you know someone is like your friend and all the thing. But another thing to say that this number of endorsement also doesn't like have too much value. Why I am saying, because let's say you are studying in a college or something, you ask all your friends to endorse me, so you
Hmm.
will have been 99 plus endorsement. So everyone will have the same endorsement. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why it doesn't have the like good value. Okay, that okay, if you are having endorsement, okay, to be honest, can I be honest how I got this 40 endorsements? Okay,
Hmm.
I'll tell you. A few months, I think last year, LinkedIn was having a feature of like storage and all the thing. Okay,
Ah, yes.
yeah, those people who are using regularly, they know that story was there. So one day I put a story. Okay, can you endorse me for Excel, SQL, and Tableau? Previously I was having 3 4 endorsement, then I got this many endorsement. Okay, only through one story. Okay, if I would have I will go to people, and people also come to me that okay, I will endorse you, you endorse me. I say that okay, I don't do better system. If you think that I am good at this one, then endorse me or don't do it. Okay, this is like better system, or more of a better system that happens. So you should be knowing these things.
Yeah.
Okay, so these things, and so all my
Even I don't have endorsements, so endorsements have no values. Like I have taught more than 5,000 students. I don't have endorsements, so it's
yeah,
completely okay if you don't have endorsements. It's
yeah, and it doesn't have that high value that
uh,
some people like try to project. Okay,
yeah.
so I am having this many skills like thing, but I can only highlight 3 skills. Like that's why I have um, done this like Excel, SQL, and all. Then
Hmm.
after that one is recommendation. This recommendation also goes in better mode. Okay, in LinkedIn. Okay, so people ask me, okay, if you'll open many people's thing, if you'll see that given section, and like what is the section, another section will be there, I think received section. So most
Hmm.
of the people what happens now, they are received inside received section. If one people is there in like given section, that person will be there. So like I'll scratch your back, you scratch my back. Okay, that is how it is happens. So I have given only to one person, you can see them. I know this person from long back. So there are so many pending also, and there's so many people deleted also because I didn't get them. So I have asked some people, I have not received, only because I have not told asked anyone to give me recommendation. So if you are like very good at thing, who can give you recommendation, meaningful recommendation?
Managers. Yeah.
Your managers, your project head, or your college professor who have known you. So on like this virtual world, I don't know exactly what you are doing and what you are how you are performing in your current job. So if I am giving a recommendation to you, it is of a very less value. Then my manager saying that okay, this guy is the best one, and when I work with him, I always get some useful things from him, and he comes up with some good visualization and all the thing. He get to the point where no one thinks about. Okay, that is
Mhm.
having a very good value. Just think about the thing. And I am just, I don't know, you just connected with me and asking me that okay, Rupranjan, can you write me a recommendation thing, and what that recommendation will have value? Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep these things in mind when asking for recommendation also, or giving recommendation also. And if you are giving recommendation randomly, like throwing thing, okay, that is also of no value. And another thing, fun fact, I'll say, I connected with one person. I went through his profile, and in recommendation section, one guy has given recommendation. I always check like received section, given section. I check whether it is matching and all the thing, all the names are matching or not. So one guy given a recommendation to one girl that in your profile these things are missing, can you add those things? Okay, so that is not recommendation, that is some suggestion you should have given him privately. But he has given that okay, your profile is missing this thing, so don't do that one to anyone. Even if you don't like that person or something, don't do like that one.
But it's up to the other person also why he has added it.
Added, I don't know how she added it and approved that one, but that was the funniest like recommendation I have ever seen.
Yeah.
Okay, your profile is missing this thing, this thing, this thing, can you add those things?
Yeah,
So
Ruparanjan will try to wind up. It's already 1.5 hours. We'll try to take this extended session maybe next
I think
Sunday.
it's done. It's done.
Ah,
Only profile like thing two three there. You can
yeah, yeah,
just wind up this
yeah, yeah.
one.
Sure, sure, sure. No problem.
Then there is language section is there. You can add the language section. Interest. You can add your like whatever companies you are targeting to go. Let's say Fangji company, Big Four companies, or something company. You can follow those things, and you will get update on them. Sometimes those people also post jobs and all the things you will get. And there are few more sections there in add profile section that you can add like your publication if you are a like professor or something like that one, or your patent projects, honors and award test score like IELTS and all the thing, languages there, organization cause, all these things you can also add. Okay, these all the things are like if you are do all these things, your profile is like visually appealing to some person. Only if you allow me sometime, I'll show you one connections request. Let's go to the end. So this guy is from my company, that's why I have not accepted his request. Okay, so see this person profile. Jagdish Mankad is his name, internet specialist. I don't know what internet specialist means. Is it good in Google search or what? I don't know. Okay, no photo, no background image, no followers. No followers means he has not connected with any people. Okay, so he has added something like digital marketing certification also. Only these things is like something thing, but it is asking me certification ID, it is asking me. Okay, so this thing, so this is not a very reliable profile to accept. And other thing, what I'll do, I'll ignore this kind of profile. So if you are going to someone, let's say some of you have um, send me connection request now. Okay, maybe some of you will be here. Let's say Rishabh, don't mind Rishabh taking your profile. Okay, see in Rishabh case here, his profile is like having a good profile image, and he's put that open to work thing. But to be honest, that doesn't work. I have seen. I have done enough experience on LinkedIn to see that whether this thing works or this thing doesn't work. So to be honest, that doesn't work. Okay, so he's having a background image, but it is like nothing showing specifically what this is for. So Rishabh, please don't mind. And here he has mentioned data analyst. Okay, I know that he is asking. He is a data analyst. MIS SQL. This is the skills he is having, and LPU where he studied. Here also I can see that LPU, and he is working in RBL. Okay, in RBL he is working as a data analyst. He is open to work. Data analyst role, he is open to work. About section, actively looking for job that he can maybe do that, change this one after the session he can do. Okay, he's this see officer credit card operation and all the thing he has added. Student, see if you are added student, that doesn't have anything, that because student is not a experience section, that is you can add in education section. Okay, CEO, this things is some like doesn't have a profile, that is why it is showing like this one, this thing. So but it is okay for like if you're a startup and all the thing, but not if it is a big company and all the thing. Added the education skills and all the thing. So and all the thing like certification, if he's having any certification he can add it like that one. So this looks good. And let's say if he's approaching someone, what would be better, like if he had added a custom message like, okay Rupranjan, hi Rupranjan, I attended your interview, like so sorry, I so your live lecture I found it like insightful, and I am also a data analyst and trying to get into data analyst field. Can you connect and share some ideas and thing. Okay, this is like creating a personal connection and instant. Okay, this guy is like thing. And there is a high chance those people who are like influencer type, let's say Ankur Wariko is there and all the thing, and there is a high chance that those people will accept your connection request, or even if they are not accepting, they can see your message that okay this guy has connecting with for this purpose. Okay, this is a good practice to ask when you are sending a connection request, add some custom message and send them. Okay, so that is it while connecting with people and other thing. So maybe next section we can like check for jobs and other thing. We can do
Yeah,
that one.
yeah. Yeah, so there are so many topics to cover in LinkedIn space. I was initially assuming to finish everything in 1 hour. Then we had Ruparanjan and me had almost a call for 1 hour itself, and we finalized that this is not possible. Uh,
Yeah,
Only now point number one is covered in this session. Many of you might be thinking, what? Where are those other topics going to be covered? So we'll have some separate Sunday live sessions. Next Sunday we'll talk about GitHub profile. Ruparanjan will be there on the call as well, but I will be taking the GitHub part. And then after GitHub, we'll try to wind up GitHub very quickly in like 15, 20 minutes or 30 minutes max. After that, we will also do some exercises on job, how to apply for jobs. So we'll take examples of some profile, maybe a data analyst profile with certain skills, and how to apply on LinkedIn. Most of the people go for easy apply, whether easy apply is good or not. So all these things I will talk about, and what is the better way of applying jobs in LinkedIn, I will tell you, which will definitely increase the number of chances to get shortlisted. uh,
yeah,
so there are certain other things that people do. If you are not finding luck in getting a job, you have to change your strategies. Like somebody has asked in the chat box, sir, I have applied for 2000 jobs, but nobody has reverted me back. First of all, you shouldn't have waited for 2000 jobs. If
yeah.
you
That is
already
2000 is
know,
a huge
yeah,
number.
it's a huge number. You are simply wasting your time. If your strategy is not working, something is wrong. Whether your LinkedIn profile is not good, we'll try to go through it, or your resume is not good, you have to change the strategies. Or else you can directly go to the company's career profile and then apply, then see. So there are so many strategies you should do, apply.
You
So
should ask referral in LinkedIn also, but
yeah, yeah, yeah.
that is a separate part. Time if time doesn't permit to discuss all those things,
Hmm.
but those things you can do it in LinkedIn very effectively. Because when I was in Amazon, there are so many people who have reached out to me, but I was not able to refer everyone. But because how you are approaching people matters. Like if someone is approaching me in a good way, then and some people think that okay, it's my duty to refer them. I don't give a damn whether you need a job and all the thing. You should
Hmm.
treat me in respect, and I will respect your space. Okay, that's
Yeah.
how things works everywhere.
Okay, I think we'll wind up the call here itself. Thank you, Ruparanjan, for your
Yeah,
wonderful session. A lot of insights. Many of you who wants to create a good LinkedIn profile, you can follow these steps. There are so many things. How to create posts, how to target audience. A lot of things are there which will be covered in the future sessions. So stay connected.
yeah,
Uh, yeah, probably you will find some WhatsApp groups in the description below. Try to join them as well. And be connected with me on YouTube. If you are subscribed, you will definitely get notifications on our future lives. But blindly, you can come to any Sunday, 7 p.m. We will be doing live stream on any of the topics. We'll have this extended session next Sunday as well. So,
yeah.
yeah,
And
Ruparanjan, you were
one,
telling something.
yeah, if you like this session, then you can give me recommendation on LinkedIn also.
Yeah. Yes. And endorsements to me on LinkedIn.
Yeah,
Yeah. Anybody who is getting benefited by my channel, you're learning something, Power BI, Tableau. At least you're not paying me anything. At least give me endorsements,
yeah, recommendations also.
recommendations also. Okay, so okay, guys, that's it for this session. It was insightful. Honestly speaking, Ruparanjan, there were 50 concurrent users throughout the session, no
Yeah,
drops. So it's really good. In technical sessions, I don't see that much of traffic, but luckily people are interested in LinkedIn profile building. So that's it, guys, for this particular session. Thanks a lot for joining in. Stay connected, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, go through the playlists, and also try to follow Ruparanjan Mahapatra. His profile link is also in the description below. And thanks once again, Ruparanjan.
yeah,
If you have a free calendar next Sunday, probably you are invited. It's up to you if you want to join it.
yeah. Sure, sure.
Sure. So that's it, guys. We'll wind up the call here. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ruparanjan. Thank you.